Hi everyone, it's Fiona. I've just come on quickly to show you my new printable kit. Now this one here is quite a large kit and I'm selling it as all one kit. So yeah, it all comes together in one kit, the papers and the ephemera. And in total it has 25 pages. But some of them are for printing on the back, so you don't have to print out, that many separate pages, but I have printed them all out so that I can show them all to you. Plus I want to use some of the background pages as for making pockets and things like that, so I've printed them out separately as well as printing them on the back of some of the journal pages. So this one's called Grandma's Vintage Embroidery. So it has a lot of vintage embroidery and lace sort of papers on here. And I've given it a, like a dark edge, so you sort of don't have to ink that up. It sort of makes it a bit more grungy looking, but of course when you cut it you'll probably still want to ink the white bits, the white edge. The core of the paper here is white, so you still want to ink that, but anyway, you don't necessarily have to ink it if you don't want to, so that just helps a little bit. So this is one of the pages which folds in half like this. So there's 6 of these. So I've printed some of the backing papers onto the back of these ones. And you get 6 of these and you get 6 backing papers. And then there's also 4 pages that are just like sort of blank journaling pages. But I'll just show you. So that's one. This is another one of the journaling papers. And I've printed on the back of that one. This is the next one. I really love this one with the butterfly and the lace up there. And this one. You can see all the vintage embroidery there. This one I've got upside down. There. And this one. So that's all of the main pages. As I say, I've printed those on the back. So then you've got 4 of these. And I've just put, I think that's upside down. I've just put in the background, I've put some of the embroidery paper as a border. And I've also printed onto the back of those. But I mean, you can mix and match and print however you like. You could print another one of these onto the back. You could print them back to back. So there's 4 of these. And they're all upside down. With the yellow embroidery on the back of that one. This one's got the purple. This one's got the green. And then we come to the ephemera pages. Now I've got, I think it's 3 of these pages where I've got the 4 cards on each page. So what it is the pages resized down. And you can use them as tall journaling cards or, pockets, little notebooks, fold them in half. I think it's always good to have those. You can do what you like with those. So That's one. And I have not printed onto the back of these. The second one. And number 3. There. And they're just beautiful images. And then I've printed the backing papers. These are like all, what do you call it? Not paisley. I can't remember the name of it now. They are all, you know, this design. It'll come to me. And there's 6 of those. So you've got the purple, you've got pink, you've got the green, you've got the yellow, and you've got the brown. And I thought, oh, and you've got the blue. I thought they'd be nice. I just printed them out separately to make envelopes, pockets, you know, whatever I can, tuck spots, anything really. And then the ephemera, you've got some more. You've got this page here. Put some little buttons on those tabs there and some scissors on those labels. We've got a tall strip here. And this page is a page of just washi tape strips. You can use however you like. This one here I'm also selling separately, just as one page in my shop. Then I did this page with different sewing ephemera on there and some butterflies. You never have too many butterflies. And some buttons. And then you've got this page of tags with the beautiful embroidery and some more labels. And this page is some 3x4 journaling cards. And I've put lace over the top of the embroidery there. And then the last page, we've got a large envelope. It's got a sort of sewing theme on there with some embroidery there. So that is it. That is my new kit. It's called Grandma's Vintage Embroidery. So if you like that one, I'll put the link to it below in the description. You can go over and have a look. Now I've printed it out, I'll be making a journal out of this one. So you'll likely see me doing that one. So thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.